Hello and welcome to Sai Info Solution. We are recognized as number one brand in project development and training since 2005 and have 10,000 plus fully satisfied engineering students with us. We provide project for computer, IT, instrumentation and electronics with 100% assistance up to final submission. And we are known for a one-step project solution for BE, ME, PhD with training at your place. On-time delivery on your doorstep and largest success story are our key factors. We are also providing project sponsorship certificate, project report assistance, practical and theory session, live demo, IEEE paper writing, and publishing your own paper in international journals like IEEE, Springer, Scopus, etc. We are working on many different domains like data mining, IoT, cloud computing, image processing, embedded system, networking, artificial intelligence, blockchain, signal processing, and have expertise in different platforms like Java, MongoDB, Android, Python, MATLAB, .NET, Oracle, MySQL. Project developed by and guided by Mr. Santosh Gore, Director of Science for Solution and the Engineering Project Consultant, having specialization in MTech and PhD project with 11 years of experience and successfully developed 10,000 plus projects in BTech and MTech. Our branches are in Nasik and in Pune.
No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear the No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear
And now you can see image are stored in main folder. These are image captured after 90 countdown. This project also works for more than one people, but when more than one people are in frame, then we give the sound alert instantly if anyone is not wearing mask. And after 4 warning, we capture the frame.
No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear the mask. No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear the mask. No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear the mask. No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear the mask. No mask detected. Please wear the mask. Please wear the mask. No mask.
Here is the capture frame. The frame name consists of the day and the time at which frame is captured. If we require to send this capture image through mail to anyone, we can also send it by programming.